Hello everyone, this is Business Person your way today. Guys, I quickly want to show you the update of the previous video that I dropped on this channel. Guys, if you're new on the channel, I'll kindly implore you to click on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. Should I drop another video, you'll be able to see that another video has dropped. So guys, just a quick one. Let me show you the previous SL for this trade. We place the previous TP for this trade. We place sell. It keeps crashing down, but it almost gets to the VIP. The signal is for buying, but let me just show you something on this chart. Now let me use the lines so that you guys can understand exactly what I meant better. If you have been watching my previous video, you will understand that I've done something like this before. And let me add the resistance. I've added the support. Okay, so I'm adding the resistance to the chart now. So guys, as you can see, it makes the chart looks more beautiful and more presentable. You see, so this is what we have. This is what we have on the chart. All right, and as you can see that the chart is just moving within this zone. Okay, so but over the movement of the chart was going an uptrend, as you guys can see. So guys, we go in for a buy from this point. Let me use another horizontal line. We go in for a buy at around this point, yeah, because of the breakout which we have at the major zone around here. Sorry, let me just adjust this a bit. You see, based on what we have at the major zone here, and you can see we have a lot of support at this point and also another at this point. So guys, I just want you to understand what I'm doing. That's why I'm trying to update you with this new video, guys. So guys, you can see it continue buying till I personally opt out at this point. All right, this point. So that's another let me just place this above it. So this is why I opt out, actually. You see, so that's when I opt out from my crash 1000 index buy. So and guys, that is a way in which you can also use one signal for probably 5 entries. All right, you just like open 5 positions for a signal. It's very possible that you do that, but your equity will determine what exactly you're gonna do with that. And make sure that anytime you're trading, if you want to use multiple entries, multiple positions with a signal, especially for those who are in my VIP, if you want to do that, make sure that you have equity that will not crash you out. And also you can check the previous video. I did some calculations. Let me say the last 2 previous video you can check. So I did a calculation about how you can do the calculation for your TP and your SL, the amount you want to lose based on where the SL is being set, the amount that you want to lose for the amounts you want to get. That's when we're talking about the ratio. All right guys, so this is just a short video for you guys to see exactly what we've done so far on crash 1000 index. And one more thing, let me show you one beautiful thing on boom 1000. See, boom 1000 is very beautiful, very beautiful for boom 1000. Now let me do something here so that you guys can see that I am operating and working with an amazing strategy always. All right, so I might decide to cut off the week. All right, I'm talking about the week of the candlesticks. All right, then let's do a little bit setup on this so that you guys can see that we're having something beautiful here too. Okay, So let's just do this. Mind you, the chatting might not be as perfect as when I am on PC, which I would soon be using PC directly for everything I'll be doing. Alright guys, so I just quickly want to update you on this, and as you can see with Boom 1000 index, we see is at the same time going up and down, but the kind of movement we're having on H4 time frame is quite interesting. What I want to show you here is the breakout. Okay, now don't pick a trade when it has gone up. All right, you have to wait for it. Probably it might be in the midnight for you. You have a very good entry. All right, so you take it. You see it comes up, come down, goes up, come down, goes up, come down. So all these points, all these important zones that we have in here. Now let me draw something more. Let me draw one more line for the support so that you can see clearly. All these important zones we're having here, it's what will give you a very good strategy and a very good insight of what we're doing. Now let's go to 1 hour time frame. You can see that my charting is correct. All right, you see this is awesome, this is beautiful. So this is one of the major things you ought to do anytime you get to the market. All right, check out for the trend. That's number one. Number two, check out for when you check out for the trend, then check out for support and resistance. All right, so for those people that will be registering for the $1,000 package, is on. I'm gonna give you the powerful indicator and also some confirmation before you go in for any trade. So I don't want this this video to be more lengthy, so that I just want to update you on what has happened on Crash, and I'm showing you what exactly is happening with Boom 1000 index on H4 time frame, and some questions that has been asked. I'm gonna attend to them also, guys. Before I leave, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please, that's exactly what can encourage me to do more video. This is Business Plus, a professional that has been trading on the market for a decade now. Yeah, so guys, I want you to give me a thumbs up, comment, and guys, don't forget to join the Telegram channel. You see the link in the description, or you check for at Business Plus VIX. That's X for xylophone. So guys, that's just it. And if you have any question, you can just drop the question for me. I'm gonna respond to you as fast as possible. So let's go to daily and see exactly what's happening on daily time frame. See guys, so we have a very good breakout on daily, and for daily, if you want to go with daily signals, all right guys, the retest might come down to another zone, which is this zone, and be around this point here. Okay, so guys, you should not be scared. Just make sure that the higher your time frame, the lower should be your lot size. Yes, you heard me. Higher your time frame, the lower your lot size. All right, put everything into consideration before you get into every trade. So very soon now I'm gonna be buying this Boom 1000 index. I'm just waiting a bit for the retest. So guys, now if you're looking at a chart from higher time frame, try as much as possible to go to lower time frame. All right, see exactly what's happening. Okay, see the breakout at this point here. You see the breakout at this point here. So guys, let me go back to Crash 1000 index, see what's happening on Crash 1000 index, guys. This is beautiful. All right, this is beautiful. So guys, like, comment, ask me questions. Also you can decide to join my mentorship class. All right, when you join my mentorship class, I'm gonna expose you, I'm gonna teach you a lot of things when it comes to charting and trading. So with everything I've been doing to make huge profit in market and the mistakes that I've made in the past, I'm gonna show you everything so that I don't make the same mistakes. All right, so guys, bye for now. Thank you, and God bless you for subscribing, liking, and giving me a good comment. Stay safe. This is Business Plus. Bye.